Hi, my name is Adam Funk, and I'm an attorney in Houston, Texas. I specialize in childbirth injury cases. Today I want to talk to you about what a medical timeline is, why it's important, and when you should create one. So a medical timeline is essentially a chronology of events that have occurred during your pregnancy, during your labor, and after the delivery of your baby. What it essentially is your resuscitation of the facts of what happened. Any type of event, for example, if you had a fall during your pregnancy and you had to go to the hospital to get checked out, those kind of things are very important to keep in your timeline. You can make it as simple as possible, just using some dates and putting the event right next to it. But what's very important is that you keep track of what happened to you and your belief of what happened. And the reason that it is so important, a medical timeline, is because sometimes the hospital records don't exactly match up with what happened. For example, if a nurse is yelling and screaming at the doctor to get there ASAP so that your baby can be delivered, it's not going to show up in the records like that. It's just going to say the nurse called the OB, the obstetrician, and got him or her over there. You, however, in your timeline will say the nurse was yelling and this all happened at 3 a.m. and I remember that because I looked at my phone and I saw what time it was. The other reason that a medical timeline is very important is because it gives the lawyers, us, and our experts a lot of information that the hospital records might not provide us. And that's extremely important as we prove up the case and establish proof that the hospital and or the obstetrician were negligent in your case. If you have questions about how to create a medical timeline, when to create one, and just want to discuss a template of creating one, by all means, give me a call. I'd love to discuss it with you. My name is Adam Funk. I'm an attorney in Houston, Texas, and I handle childbirth injury cases.